So for the AI affirmative argument, we're beginning with observation 1, the status quo. Subpoint A, artificial intelligence is evolving to detect anomalous threats. The current information security techniques in enterprises have shown an inclination towards AI. Conventional techniques for detection and response mostly requires human efforts to extract characteristics of malicious intent, investigate and analyze abnormal behaviors, and later encode the derived results into the detection algorithm. Instead, AI can provide a direct solution to these requirements with minimal human input. AI provides a reliable platform to undertake such exhaustive tasks of detecting anomalous behavior. Detection for possible advantages as follows. Detection rates and false alarms. The continuous changing network behavior has a significant impact on the performance of anomaly-based detection systems. This may result in high false alarms and low detection rates. AI can be used to design algorithms for adaptive learning to accommodate new patterns. This will reduce false alarms and increase the detection rate. AI provides a better advantage in providing cost-sensitive techniques that automatically construct detection and response models. It relies on attack taxonomy and site-specific security policy. AI can be used to define detection models that are optimized for user-defined cost metrics. The ability to train to identify the characteristics of misuse attacks and identify instances which have never happened before allows AI to recognize unknown suspicious events or zero-day threats with a higher degree of accuracy. Sophistication in writing viruses and obfuscating their codes to produce so-called polymorphic viruses has affected the performance of conventional systems. The challenges involved here have prompted the research using AI techniques to detect new or unknown viruses and malicious codes. Subpoint B, intrusion, data reduction, and classification. Intrusion detection is the identification of attempted or ongoing attacks on a computer system or network. Issues in ID research include data collection, data reduction, behavior classification, reporting, and response. Data reduction consists of analyzing a collection of data in order to identify the most important components of the data, thereby reducing processing time, communications overhead, and storage requirements. Classification is the process of identifying attackers and intruders. AI techniques have been used in many IDSs to perform these important tasks. AI is concerned with improving algorithms by employing problem-solving techniques used by human beings. Humans excel at tasks such as learning or gaining the ability to perform tasks from examples and training. An expert system handles problems using a computer model of expert human reasoning. Subpoint C, identifying critical intelligence questions. With only slight variations, every national government has an intelligence cycle or process that identifies critical intelligence questions, assigns tasks to various collecting agencies, processes and analyzes information, and delivers it to decision makers. In theory, this process improves and informs the decision-making process and enhances national security. Without detracting from the importance and difficulty of developing contacts inside hostile governments or terrorist groups, analysis is probably the most difficult and important stage in the process. So for the plan, the mandate is the U.S. should implement more AI in Cyber Command. This implementation would lower the risk of cyber attacks. AI could be programmed to recognize potential cyber attacks. Ignoring the exponential growth of AI can affect the way cyber attacks could be prevented. Staying updated with perceived threats could keep us one step ahead. For observation 3, our benefits, we're beginning with subpoint A, artificial intelligence is used to discern the truth. Advances in AI will affect national security by driving change in 3 areas: military superiority, information superiority, and economic superiority. For military superiority, progress in AI will both enable new capabilities and make existing capabilities affordable to a broader range of actors. For example, commercially available AI-enabled technology, such as long-range drone package delivery, may give weak states and non-state actors access to a type of long-range precision strike capability. AI will dramatically enhance capabilities for the collection and analysis of data and also the creation of data. This will mean that there are more sources than ever from which to discern the truth. We find that advances in AI could result in a new industrial revolution. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Larry Summers has predicted that advances in AI and related technologies will lead to a dramatic decline in demand for labor, such that the U.S. may have a third of men between the ages of 25 and 54 not working by the end of this half century. Last, subpoint B, maximizing benefits using artificial intelligence. The adoption of probabilistic representations and statistical learning methods has led to a large degree of integration and cross-fertilization between AI, machine learning, statistics, control theory, neuroscience, and other fields. The establishment of shared theoretical frameworks, combined with the availability of data and processing power, has yielded remarkable successes in various component tasks such as speech recognition, image classification, autonomous vehicles, machine translation, legged locomotion, and question-answering systems. As capabilities in these areas and others cross the threshold from laboratory research to economically valuable technologies, a virtuous cycle takes hold, whereby even small improvements in performance have significant economic value, prompting greater investments in research. The potential benefits are huge, since everything that civilization has to offer is a product of human intelligence. We cannot predict what we might achieve when this intelligence is magnified by the tools AI may provide, but the eradication of disease and poverty is not unfathomable. The successes of industrial applications of AI, from manufacturing to information services, demonstrate a growing impact on the economy.